How and why to check your oil. The recommendations in the video apply to vehicles with an IC engine equipped with a mechanical dipstick to measure the oil level. How to check your oil level correctly. If the vehicle has been parked for an extended period of time, or if there are oil spots under it, check that there's enough lubricant in the engine. Open the bonnet and pull out the oil dipstick, which usually has a plastic hook or a brightly colored ring. Wipe it down, push it all the way back in, and pull it out again. Once you're sure there's oil in the engine, go on to take more precise measurements. Park the car on a flat, horizontal surface. Warm up the engine to operating temperature and turn it off. Wait for a few minutes for the oil to drain into the sump. Open the bonnet and pull out the dipstick. Wipe the dipstick with a clean rag or paper towel. Reinsert the dipstick into the tube as far as it will go and pull it out again. Inspect the dipstick. It has two marks on it, min and max. The oil level should be between the two lines. Which level is right? The right level should be between the min and max marks. What should I do if the oil level isn't between the min and max marks? Oil starvation leads to premature engine wear and can cause mechanical damage to the engine components. The engine requires a specified amount of lubricant in order to work properly. If the oil level is below or at the min mark, top up immediately with the right type of oil. Autodoc app. All car parts at the lowest prices on your phone. Try it for yourself. If the oil level is significantly below the min mark or does not appear on the dipstick at all, do not use the vehicle. Too much oil can damage the engine seals and eventually the whole unit. If the oil level slightly exceeds the max mark on the dipstick, the vehicle can be used as usual. If the engine is significantly overfilled with oil, remove the excess with a special suction pump or by loosening the drain plug in the oil sump. Which engine oil should I use? The right type and amount of oil for your vehicle is specified by the car manufacturer in the owner's manual. Do not mix different types of oil. Please note, for convenience, most bottles have a measuring scale. The oil volume between the dipstick's min and max marks is usually 1 litre. How often should the oil level be checked? If there's no oil burning or leakage, you should check the lubricant level every time the car's refueled, i.e. about every 400 to 600 kilometers. Regardless, always check the oil level before a long journey. and before a trip with long climbs and descents. If the lubricant level is at the min mark, top up with suitable engine oil before setting out to avoid the risk of oil starvation.